Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record the screen using the inbuilt screen recorder over your Windows PC. Now in order to do it, first of all you need to is to take the screenshot using the shortcuts of the taking screenshot. If you don't know, I'll tell you, just simply hit press and hold a Windows key plus shift key plus S over your keyboard. Once you do that, you can see a window will appear right in front of you of snipping tool. Now here you can see this kind of video icon. Just simply go over there and now select the screen ratio that you want to record. For example, if I select complete screen, now you can see a window has been selected, and once I hit start, the recording of this screen will start recording. Now you can see a timer was started and the window has been started to recording, and I can perform any of the task I want and it will record each and everything. Once I am done with it, just simply hit stop and the recording has been saved in right in front of you can see. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.